does his business planning, does it very, very meticulously, and everything flows. Imagine that flow. Watch it flow. You are confident. You are very, very, very confident. Side is confidence. You know when you open a can of pop and everything, if you shake it, everything fizzles. I want that fizzling feeling of confidence to fizzle inside you. No. Fizzling. Fizzling. Lighting up, lighting up, lighting up. In a moment I'm going to touch you on your forehead, right where the third eye is, on the pineal gland. And at that point you will become very focused. In fact, from now on, from this moment forth, you will be very focused. 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 You are very, very focused. Side is focused. He is confident. Confidence. And that's rushing through you like fizzy pop into every blood cell, every capillary, every artery. Confident. Confidence. 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 Focused. You are very focused. Focused. Deep. Let it wash into every part of you. And at this moment, I want you to go to that child part of you and see how he's changed. How is he different now?
There's a big smile.
Big smile. Is he communicating now?
Yes. With facial gestures,
Okay.
with movements, with body language, with verbal communication. Everything is just, the blockage has gone now. And that child in me is able to communicate.
I want you and that child to become one now. Embrace that child now. Remember the candles aligned. Aligned. Washing. Washing. Deep. How do you feel about food side?
I'm looking forward to eating healthily, and I'm looking forward to avoiding the junk kind of food that's processed and full of empty calories. It's not going to be the be-all and end-all in my life now. There's so many other things I can be doing. Eating is a pleasurable sensation, but overeating is not necessary at all. And eating the wrong foods, I'm not going to do that anymore.
Okay. Side's changed so much. I want that change to fly out of you into the future now. How far into the future do you want to go?
In a year's time.
Okay. Imagine yourself in a year's time, looking how you want to look. Put that image in your mind's eye. You are so expressive. You are so artistic. You're so vivid in your imagination. View yourself. How are you looking inside?
I'm looking smart.
Okay.
Well dressed.
Okay.
Proud of the way I look.
Right.
I'm proud of the way I feel, more importantly perhaps.
Okay.